I'm with Danny from Gro-Rite, and we're looking at compost, because when you're growing, am I right, Danny? When you're growing under Gro-Rite, you want the compost to be very specific, not just, well, I'm saying you get from a garden centre, I'll be very popular with that. But you don't want it just an ordinary compost. You want something a bit special, don't you?
Yeah, this one will come with 2 weeks of feed in it. It will dry out a lot quicker.
And this is soil based.
This is soil based, yeah, with a little bit of perlite. Look, if I take a little bit out of there, see your little bits of perlite.
Perlite in there. Now the perlite gives it a bit of air.
Yeah, a bit of aeration. Yeah.
So that's one of the better ones that you've got. I say better. I shouldn't. They're all good, aren't they? Yeah,
they're all good. Yeah, we sell pretty much an even amount of each one. Do you know what I mean? We haven't got one outstanding brand. They're all pretty. This is probably a cleaner product than most of the others, but yeah, they're all pretty much of a muchness.
Now, if you move to say this one, which is this one here, this one's made of cocoa shells.
Yeah.
So what they crush the cocoa shell?
Well, this is the hairs. Look, the husk. Yeah, you can see. Do you want to open one of these?
No, don't.
So yeah, it's all been crushed up, and then this is left for all the bad things in it to evaporate. Then they re-steam it. This will be left on the beach for probably a year, 2 years, and then
Sri Lanka or something.
Sri Lanka, yeah, that's it, yeah.
So then it's steam clean. So in fact, you'll get no weed seed in it at all, will you?
No, there'll be nothing in that. But
anything added to that?
No, that's it. That's clean washed,
and pure coir.
Yeah, and you have complete control over how much you put in that. Whereas with this, that's what I was saying earlier. This has got a couple of weeks of feed.
That's cocoa shell.
Yeah, this is the cocoa. They're cocoa one. So this will have no feed in it.
At all.
It's
just straight cocoa.
Yeah, just straight cocoa. This is a good seller. This is probably
so. Then with that, you obviously got to add your nutrients. If you're growing indoors in a tent with the lights, you've then got to feed it liquid feeds to make the plants grow. And you can grow stuff all year, can't you? Yeah,
all year round. And it depends on what food you want to use. I mean, this one they've got a 2-part, an A and a B. You could use a 1-part. This one will hold your water a lot longer. So if you can't get back to the room for a day or two, this would be ideal, the cocoa.
So if you're a busy person,
cocoa,
that's the one.
Yeah, definitely.
So there are. There's an idea on some of the products that you could use. That's the compost, not what you get in a garden centre, but basically you're looking at something that's been cleaned, sterilised to cut out all the problems of weed if you're growing in a grow tent with artificial lights. Help us grow our YouTube channel. Just hit subscribe.